most people new to playing guitar don't realise is that there are more ways than one to play every chord. They spend the time just using the first three frets of their guitar, playing open chords, and think that the rest of the frets are for the guitar gods and their magic solos that leave us in awe. Or is that just me? Anyways, chords, like their name suggests, are a progression. What I mean by that is that C builds on B, B builds on A, and so on. Moving up the fretboard puts this into practice, and you don't even have to change the chord form and shape of your hand. It's probably best I show you what I mean. Before we start, let me just go through all the notes on the top, the E string for you. So, top string, this one here, top string. E, F, F sharp and G flat are the same thing. G, G sharp, which is, yes, you guess, A flat, A sharp, B flat, B, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, and all the way back to E. This is just an octave higher. So basically what an octave is we play the open E string, and then at our 12th fret, the same note but an octave higher, different pitch. I hope that gets through. When forming an E chord, open E chord, you probably use these three fingers. Get into the habit of using these three and leaving that one blank, and I'll tell you why. Play your E, slide up, bar, you got an F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A, and all the way up to D. And you really go far enough, if this guitar will let me, back to an E. Unfortunately, I can't get it here on this guitar. But not only all this, if we play our open E, and we lift this finger here, we've gone from E to E minor. Slide your fingers up, place them here, F minor, G minor, A minor, and so on. So basically, for what is virtually the same chord shape, or hand shape, but just lift up one finger, you've gone from an E major, to E minor. Playing bar chords is not a walk in the park. It all sounds easy, just keeping the one shape up and down, whatever. But this finger here, it requires quite a lot of strength. And the only way you're going to get that strength is through a lot of practice. Now don't forsake your open chords and practice on them just for simple bar chords running up and down. It might be easier, it might not be easier, depends on everyone's fingers, they're all different. So anyways, there's no substitute for hard work. Get the hard work in. Work hard on your bar chords, work hard on your open chords, and all come together. So that's it for another video. I hope you got something out of it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Oh, and don't forget to click on that little bell thingy. Every time I squirt the video up onto the internet, you'll get a ticket in your pocket. Oh, and one other thing. When I was reviewing this video before posting it, I noticed I'm covered in dog hairs. They aren't mine, or even Michelle's. They're from Cali. So in future, if you see me covering hairs, you know that I've been having to cuddle with my little doggy. See you soon. All I said to say is, Michelle.